Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So you want to know which states have no property tax? It's a dream for many homeowners, the idea of owning your land without that big yearly bill. The short answer, however, might surprise you. The number of states with absolutely no property tax is 0. That's right, not a single one. This is one of the biggest misconceptions in personal finance and real estate. The key is to understand who actually collects the tax. In the United States, property taxes are overwhelmingly a local issue. They are the primary way your town, your county, and your local school district fund their operations. We're talking about the money that pays for police officers, firefighters, public schools, libraries, and road maintenance. Without these local property taxes, most community services would simply cease to exist. So where does all the confusion come from? It's the difference between a state property tax and a local one. A handful of states do levy their own statewide property tax on top of the local ones, but the vast majority do not. This means that even if you live in a state with no state-level property tax, you will absolutely still get a property tax bill from your county or city, and that's the bill that really matters to most homeowners. Let's look at a real-world example. States like Texas and Florida are famous for having no state income tax, which attracts a lot of new residents. But to make up for that lost revenue, they have to rely heavily on other taxes, including some of the highest local property taxes in the country. It's always a trade-off. The government has to get its funding from somewhere. Instead of searching for a state with no property tax, a much better approach is to look at a state's effective property tax rate. This is the average amount residents actually pay each year as a percentage of their home's value. States like Hawaii, Alabama, Colorado, and Louisiana consistently rank among the lowest for their effective property tax rates. But even in a place like Hawaii, where the rate is incredibly low, the extremely high property values mean the final tax bill can still be quite large. The total tax burden is what truly matters. You have to look at property tax, sales tax, and income tax all together to see how moving to a new state will really impact your wallet. So, the myth of a property tax-free state is just that, a myth. Every state relies on this funding mechanism, at least at the local level. The real question isn't which state has none, but which state has the lowest rate and what other taxes you'll have to pay in its place. I hope this cleared things up for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more straight-to-the-point financial information, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.